Hi, good evening, welcome back to Shah James. Now we'll see end of the day market report. First we will see how US market performed yesterday. Then we will see how Asian markets performed. Then how our market performed. First, if you see US market overnight yesterday, Dow Jones lost 185 points and closed at 15,451. Nasdaq lost 14 points and closed at 3,774, whereas S&P 500 lost 12 points and closed at 1,709. Now we will see about Asian markets. Nikkei lost 23 points and closed at 14,742. Straits Times lost 23 points and closed at 3,214. Whereas Hang Seng lost 130 points and closed at 23,370. Taiwan gained 83 points and closed at 8,272. Whereas Kospi gained 3 points and closed above 2,000. And Shanghai gained 29 points and closed at 2,221. Our market, Sensex down 362 points and closed at 19,900, and Nifty down 122 points and closed at 5,889. We are below 5,900 mark. Today there is a huge sell-off in banks. If you see in intraday basis, market opened down almost at 5,945, which is close to 70 points down from previous day's low. From there it started to go down, it never recovered. Around at 10:40 it made a low of 5,920. There it stabilized till 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock it started to cut the low of 5,920 and it moved towards 5,880. It stabilized there between 5,880 to 5,900 almost till 2 o'clock. After that it started to crack big time and made a fresh low of 5,871 and closed at 5,889. Whereas Sensex opened at 20,060 and made a high of 20,199 and a low of 19,826. Now we will see about top gainers and losers in Nifty. First, Sisagova gained 3%, HCL Tech gained 2.7%, Hindalco gained 2.2%, Coal India gained 1% and Hero MotoCorp gained 0.8%. Whereas losers, Bank of Baroda lost 6.9%, Axis Bank lost 6.5%, DLF lost 6.5%, IndusInd Bank lost 6% and PNB lost 6%. Outside Nifty, PG Electroplast gained almost 20%, Ramki Infra gained 17%, Stone One gained 11%, Relaxo Footwear gained 10% and Walchand Nagar gained 10%. Losers outside Nifty, India Bulls Housing lost 10%, Union Bank lost 9.5%, S Bank lost 8%, Oriental Bank lost 7% and Bank of India lost close to 7%. Today morning we have given 3 calls buy and 3 calls sell for this week. First we have given Reliance Infra. In the morning it made a high of 422. It has given you a gain of 2.8% in intraday. Then we have given a buy call on Ambuja Cements. It moved to a high of 195.90, so it has given you a gain of 1.5%. Asian Paints made a high of 494 rupees and it given you a return of close to 1.3%. And sell calls we have given ICICI Bank, Larsen & Toubro and HDFC. whereas ICICI Bank given you a profit of 5.5% today, which made a low of 932 rupees. Larsen & Toubro made a low of 807, giving you a profit of close to 4.6% intraday. HDFC made a low of 770, giving you a profit of 4.9% today. Almost all the calls are hit today. Now we will see about commodities. Brent crude is right now trading around $108.94, losing 28 cents against rupee is trading around 62 rupees 60 paisa, which lost 37 paisa against dollar. Euro closed at 84 rupees 60 paisa, gaining 31 paisa against rupee. Pound closed at 100 rupee 49 paisa, gaining 89 paisa. Gold gained 100 rupees. Right now it's trading around 257 rupees down, around at 29,655. Whereas silver lost 346 rupees and trading around 48,960. Natural gas lost close to 2 rupee 80 paisa and trading around 228 rupees 60 paisa. European markets all are in red. FTSE is down 32 points and trading around 6,563. CAC is down 11 points and trading around 4,192. And DAX is down 38 points and trading around 8,637. Today, Nifty taken out a lot of important support levels. Main support is at 5880. Today it has taken out and it reached a low of 5871. So tomorrow the main level of 5850 and 5800 is the important levels to watch. If Nifty breaches this one, then Nifty is into a trouble. All the banking stocks looking weak, and this Thursday we are having an expiry, so you have to trade very carefully. For more, visit our website www.chartchain.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube itself.